Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 7, and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. And the lessons we're going to cover today are add, subtract, multiply, and divide money among word problems, price list, unit prices with unit conversions, and unit prices find the total price. So let's just start with the chapter. The first lesson we need to start with is add, subtract, multiply, and divide money amounts. Okay, here I am on grade 7 math. The chapter is consumer math, and the lesson is add, subtract, multiply, and divide money amounts. Okay, so let's just start with the first example. VIP parking at the music festival sells for $19 per car. Regular parking is $10 per for each car. How much a person how much can a person save by using regular parking? The screen is blurry. Just it is not blurry at my side. Why it is blurry at your side? Okay, so VIP parking for $19, right? And the regular parking for $10. You need to see how much you save if you do regular parking, right? So $19 minus $10 is $9. If you do regular parking, you will have $9, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Regular tickets of Boonville High School football games is $5.44, but students get $5.04 off. What is the price of a student ticket? So the regular ticket is $5.44, right? So student get off, that is 5.04. So you need to calculate the price of the student ticket. So original price is 5.44. Just subtract 5.04, right? So that would be 0.40. That means the price of the student ticket is $0.40. The correct option is $0.40. Very good. Kim spent $630 on 7 silver coat racks. The coat racks the coat racks all cost the same amount. What is the cost of each coat rack? So which is the correct option? The 7 racks have the price 630. You need to calculate the price of the one coat rack. How do you calculate? You have to divide 630 by 7, right? So 7 times 9 is 63. Very good. That would be $90. So the correct option is $90. Eve buys 7 red beads for $0.28. The beads all have the same price. What is the price of each bead? You need to calculate the price of one bead. So which is the price of the one bead? How do you calculate? Basically, you need to calculate the unit price, right? You are given the price of the seven beads. You have to calculate the price of one bead. So whenever you have to calculate the price of the unit price, that means one thing you have to divide. Yes, you have to divide 0.28 by 7. Got it? So the correct option is yes, very good. That would be 0.04 dollars. Option 1 is the correct option. At the hardware store, a carpenter spent $100 on and $100 on tool. How much did he spend in all? Which is the correct option? Very good. You need to just add them. You need to calculate how much total he spent. So 100 plus 100 is $200. Very good. Okay, television cost $100 each. Danny buy 10 televisions. How much does Danny spend? So which is the cost of the 10 televisions? The correct option is you need to do 10 times 100, right? And 10 times 100 is $1,000, right? So the price of 10 television is $1,000. The correct option is $1,000. A football cost $46. If Crick buy three footballs, how much will it cost? So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be $138. You have to $138. It is not 183. You simply have to do 46 times 3, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is price list. Okay, so you are given the price list and you have to apply different operations on the price list, right? Let's just start with the test questions. How much more does a set of dishes cost than a baking dish? Okay, set of dishes. How much more set of dishes cost than a baking dish? Okay, so set of dishes is 98.37 and baking dish is 15.26. You need to see how much more it is. So you have to subtract that. Sorry, that means baking set of dishes is 83.1111 more than 83.11 more than baking dish. Got it? The correct option is 83.11. How much more does Jaden need to buy an autoclave and a scale? How much money Does Jaden need to buy an autoclave and a scale? So just add the price of autoclave and scale, which is the correct option. Autoclave is $113 and scale $8. So which is the correct option? Just add them. Yes, you simply have to add them. So that would be $681. Billy has $94. Does he have enough to buy a ballet ticket and a concert ticket? So he have $94. He need to buy the ticket and concert ticket. So you need to see if $96, $94 is enough. So just add the price of ballet ticket and concert ticket. Ballet ticket is for $25 and concert ticket is for $75. So 25 plus 75 makes $100 and he have 94. That means no, he don't have enough money, right? He don't have enough money to buy both the tickets, right? The correct option is no. How much money does Emma need to buy a red sweater and a pink sweater? A red sweater costs $13.74 and pink sweater costs $16.61. So you have to add the price of red sweater and the pink sweater. So the price of red sweater is $13.74 and the price of pink sweater is 16.61. Yes, very good. That means she need total 30.35 dollars. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is Luke has $341. Does he have enough to buy a set of bunk beds and a kitchen table? So kitchen table is $146 and set of bunk bed is $195. So does he have enough money? Yes, when you add 146 and 195 together they make $341. So yes, he have enough money. Very good. How much more does a beach postcard postcard cost than a whale keychain? Beach postcard is 0.77 and whale keychain is 0.26. So just subtract and see how much more it is, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is that is 0.51 more. Okay, the next one is okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today, right? Let's just move on to the next one. The next lesson is unit prices, right? So unit prices means the price of only one thing, right? When you are given prices of more than one thing and you need to calculate the price of one thing, what you have to do, for example, just look at the example. A two pack of plastic cup costs 0.68, right? So 0.68 is the cost of two cups. You need to calculate the price of unit price means you need to calculate the price of one cup. How do you calculate? You divide 0.68 by 2, right? This way you can get the value of the one cup. Got it? So whenever you have to calculate the price of one thing, you have to divide the given cost by the number of items given, right? This way you will get the cost of one thing. Let's start with the test questions. A 7 pound bag of onions costs $2.73. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? You have to calculate the price of 1 pound onions, right? So you have to divide 2.73 by 7. Got it? So when you divide 2.73 by 7, the correct option is $0.39. Very good. The correct option is $0.39. A two pack of hot dogs cost $1.80. What is the unit price? Yes, you have to divide 1.80 by price of one hot dog is $0.90. Very good. A four pack of sweatshirt costs $10.96. What is the unit price? So basically you need to calculate the price of one sweatshirt. So $11.96 divided by 4 is, the correct option is $2.99, right? That means the cost of one sweatshirt is $2.99. A 5-meter roll of brown paper costs $0.35. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, that would be 0.07 per meter. Very good. A 9 pack of toaster pastries cost $4.14. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? You have to divide 2.14 by 9. So the correct option is very good. That would be $0.46. So that means the price of the one pastry is $0.46. A 4-meter roll of tape costs $1.12. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? You have to divide 1.12 by 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be $0.28, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is unit prices with unit conversions. Okay, so you have to calculate the unit prices also and you have to do the conversions also, right? Just look at the example. A 2-gallon jug of water costs $5.44. What is the price per pint? You are given the price of 2 gallons, right? First, you have to convert from gallons to pint and then you have to calculate the value. So, 1 gallon equals 8 pints, right? That means 2 gallon equal 2 times 8, 16 pence. So 5.44 is the cost of 16 pence. So divide 5.44 by 16. This way you will get the cost of per pint water, right? 1 gallon equal 8 pence. So in 2 gallons you have 2 times 8, 16 pence, right? Now divide the price by 16. 5.44 it is. 5.44 divided by 16 is 0.34. That means now the price cost water costs 0.34 per pint, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the 5-foot piece of aluminum wire costs $10.80. What is the price per inch? Okay, first you have to convert from foot to inches. So in 1 foot, how many inches do we have? 1 foot equal 12 inches, right? So 5 foot equal 5 times 12. Got it? That would be 60. Now you need to divide 10.80 by 60, right? So 10.80 divided by 60 equals $0.18. You have to calculate the price per inch. You calculate by dividing 10.80 over 60. So that would be 0.18. Got it? The correct option is $0.18. Yes, you're right. Okay, the 2-yard roll of butcher paper cost $3.90. What is the price per foot? So you have to convert from yard to foot first, right? Okay, 1 yard equal how many foot? One yard equal 3 feet, right? One yard equal 3 feet or foot, right? So first you have to then 2 yards equal 2 times 3, 6 foot. So price per foot is 3.90 divided by 6. So which is the correct option? $3.90 divided by 6 equals the correct option is $0.65. Got it? A 3-gallon bucket of paint cost 141.60 dollars. What is the price per cup? So that is a conversion from gallons to cup, right? In 1 gallon you have 16 cups. 1 gallon equal 16 cups. So 3 gallons equal 3 times 16, that is 48. So you have to divide 141. So price per cup is 141.60 divided by 48. So which is the correct option? The correct option is $2.95, right? The correct option is $2.95. Again, that is from cup to gallons to cup. Now you can do this one on your own, right? A 2-gallon bottle of fabric softener costs $16.96. What is the price per cup? So first convert from gallons to cup. 1 gallon equals 16 cup. So 2 gallons equal 2 times 16, that is 32. So for the price per gallon, you have to divide 16.96 by 32. So which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is $0.53. A 2-quart container of window cleaner costs $4.64. What is the price per pint? So that is a conversion from quart to pint. 1 quart equal 2 pints. So 2 quart equal 4 pints. So divide 4.64 by 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is $1.16, right? A 4 pound bag of sugar costs $17.92. What is the price per ounce? So, which is the correct option? 1 pound equal how many ounces? £1 equals 16 ounces, right? So 16 times 4 is 64. So 17.92 divided by 64 equals, very good. The correct option is $0.28. A 7 pound bag of barley costs $32.48. What is the price per ounce? Which is the correct option? £1 equals 16 ounces, right? So you have to do 7 times 16. That is 112. So you have to divide 32.48 by 112. So the price per ounce is $0.29. Got it? A 4 pint carton of apple juice costs $2.16. What is the price per quart? Which is the correct option? The correct option is $1.08. Very good, Arpita. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on consumer math. The chapter we're working on grade 7 math. The chapter we're working on is consumer math. And the lessons we have covered today are add, subtract, multiply, and divide money amounts word problems, price list, unit prices, and unit prices with conversions. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Still, if you need more help, you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Oh, yes, you can ask Arpita. Please ask question. Arpita, you can ask question. Unit conversion. Like you have to convert from ounces to pounds to ounces. These are the unit conversion from one unit to another, right? So we did unit conversion in the last lesson. For example, you have to convert from, you are given something in pounds, you have to convert it into ounces. So how do you convert? You are given, for example, 2 pounds, you have to convert in ounces. So we know that in 1 ounce you have 6, in 1 ounce you have 16 pounds. So you can convert 3 pounds doing 3 times 16, that would be then 48. Basically you need to know the basic unit, right? When you are converting from pounds to ounces, 1 pound equals 16 ounces, right? Keep this basic conversion in your mind. So if, for example, you have to convert 4 pounds, so you need to do 4 times 16, that would be then 48 ounces. So 4 pounds equal 48 ounces. Got it? We did from pints to cups to pints, gallons to cup. So in 1 gallon you have, I forgot, for example, in 1 gallon you have 16 cups, right? So if you need to calculate for 4 gallons, you have to do 4 times 16, that would be 64 cups. Got it? We did conversions in the last lesson. Anything else you need to know? Okay, then that's all